Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your iPhone supports Siri and is updated. Once done, open Settings, go to Siri and search and toggle Listen for Hey Siri on. Next, tap Set up Hey Siri and follow the 4 short voice prompts. Speak clearly and at a normal volume so the system learns your voice pattern. This trains personal recognition and reduces false triggers. After the setup completes, make sure Siri responds by saying the phrase twice in different tones to confirm successful capture. Once your voice is trained, customize how Siri responds. Open Settings Siri and search to change language or Siri voice so recognition matches your accent. Make sure voice feedback mode suits your environment. If you want custom commands, create Siri shortcuts in the Shortcuts app and record a custom phrase. Note this still activates after Siri listens, not as a replacement trigger. You can combine shortcuts with automation for hands-free workflows. Doing this improves reliability and lets Siri perform specific actions on your phrasing. Finish by testing in different rooms and volumes. Once satisfied, lock the device and try again hands-free. If Siri is inconsistent, retrain, toggle Listen for Hey Siri off, wait 10 seconds, then set it up again. Also update iOS, restart the phone, and check the microphone for obstructions. If problems persist, turn Siri off entirely, restart, then re-enable and retrain. One key troubleshooting tip: if background noise interferes, test in a quiet space and remove cases that muffle the mic. This often fixes recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.